Ghetto Girl Diaries by Jason on Stage.
Diary, the pity them hungry and I not no money. My baby father give me money for them, but me and him catch up in our arguments. So I just flash the money I dance for spites him. I'm not too worried about the pity them still, cause once the neighbor them hear the heap of balance, Maddie will feed them. Must say, from the dancer boy fling me to the guango tree, broke me neck and drop the big stone in my head 2 months now already, but still in a pain. But I'm not too complain still, cause the highlights when we get on Instagram, they do work it in the blood cleats and meet Selira. I call one Jason from Onstage him for an interview and I'll know him not budge for me. Anyway, a bigger issue than that. Right now, me I look somewhere for live because my dirty landlord him put me out just because I beg 4 months for pay August rent. Well, me I come going out car. I tell the man yard when I meet at the dance last night and him just put down the taxi fare for me to come go home. But where is home?